Meaning of Fred Hoyle.
Fred Hoyle.
Fred Hoyle.
Fred Hoyle.
Fred Hoyle. Fred Hoyle was an English astronomer who made significant contributions to the field of astrophysics. He is best known for proposing the theory of nucleosynthesis, which explains how heavy elements are formed in stars. He also popularized the term Big Bang to describe the beginning of the universe, although he himself was a proponent of the steady-state theory. Hoyle was a prolific writer and science communicator, and his work inspired many young people to pursue careers in astronomy and related disciplines. His legacy continues to influence the field to this day.